I see you standing there so calm, with life growing safe and warm. Every step so full of grace. There's a quiet strength in your face. You're so beautiful, it's true, in everything you say and do. And the way you gently move shows a kind of fearless love. Oh, my love, you're everything, more than words could ever bring. And I'm waiting for the day when our child will find their way.